Back at it again. Cars and Brownies goes karting. Little private session with Amanda.
Shotgun.
Somebody pointed the cars for me.
Take 84.
Huh?
Take 84.
That one?
They're all pretty quick karts. The general. Got the boy Z. Timbo. Steve. Let go. Alright. Not too sure what Z's doing here. Picking a cart.
You just have to pick the one.
There's gotta be moved now. Suppose
They have to move you, eh?
that one.
No, they gotta move you. Oh man, let's do this. Hey, straight.
And off the bat. I think I'm going the wrong way.
Just whip it. Yeah.
Not this shit. Must have been a long day at work. There's an arrow there too. Going left. Fun time, fun time.
Oh, the gas.
Steve-O.
Yeah.
Alright. You know, it goes a warm up. Mad cold out tonight. It's about say around 8 degrees. The pavement was really cold. Just doing my best. Get these tires warmed up. Get a feel for the track once again. Let the new Manda get a feel for the track. Let them do their thing. Get these tires warmed up. Mad cold. Mad cold out there. As you can see, tires easily sliding. I'm not even forcing it. Not even full throttle, just feathering it. Alright. Everybody's just about on the track now. Yep. Let's go. Just the 4 of us. Little private session. Alright, get these tires mad warmed up. Let's go. Where's that boy Z? Flat out on the back bank. You know how it goes. Into the hairpin. It's my signature hairpin. Make a lot of passes with that one. Yeah. Off the bat. Steve-O goes for the pass on that go. Oh, that inside move. Oh, it's switchback.
Oh no!
And we got the boy Z right there, making moves. Alright, gonna fall back into the slipstream. Looking for the outside. Gonna look for the signature dive.
And there is an enormous contact there!
Not quite.
Oh, what someone's hit the barriers!
But
It's a big accident. He's gone wide.
that was a heavy dive early. Tires were still cold.
It's hit the barriers on the left-hand
I
side.
forced that boy Z. Just hit the barrier. And apparently the tires were full of water and splashed onto the track, as you guys will see. Making it a little more fun.
Whippy! Oh yeah! Up we go!
See, there you go. There's some water on the track now. It's gonna make that hairpin a little interesting though. Alright. Sorry about that. That was a heavy dive. Okay. I was mad alone for a bit. Just skip ahead. That boy Steve-O. Mad quick out here. Adapted to the track real quick. First time out here at AMIGO. And as you can see, every time you touch that water, watch the understeer you into the outer barrier. But just gotta know where to put the power down now. Approach it a little different. Clipping apex. Looking a lot cleaner out here tonight. That's for sure. That boy Steve-O. Mad quick out here. Gone. Gone with the wind. Can't touch this. Okay, we make gains into the hairpin here. As you can see right there. Mad slippery in the water. And it's really cold. The pavement must be, I don't know. If it's 8 degrees outside, pavement must be easily 5 degrees, I would say. Celsius. Celsius. Yeah, we're talking Celsius. Up here in Canada. Right? Yeah, can't catch up to Steve-O. We're gonna pace it down. Let's see who we can play around on the track with. I don't like being alone. Yeah, you can set a fast lap being alone. Skip it a little further ahead. I give the inside space here to Nico. Alright, as you can see, Tim and Z battling it out there. Alright, I need a little partner to spar it out with. Let's go. Oh! Nico going way wide and just giving it a little wall tap on the outer barrier there. Just a little wall tap. Give him his space. We'll make gains somewhere. We'll make moves, perhaps. Maybe, maybe not. Look at him go. Mad quick out here. Gone with the wind. Hairpin 1. Executed nicely. Making gains out here. Let's go. Alright, not quite further ahead. Skipped a few laps. Couldn't keep up with Nyquil. Who's this on the inside here? Must be that boy Z. He's got the inside. Oh! Busted switching right on his bumper. Big action there through the hairpins, and he's got the boost on the straight. I'm the heaviest man out here tonight. Oh! And managed to wiggle my way out of that one somehow. But I think I might have broken the cart at that point, as you'll see up ahead here. Yeah, just trying to execute. Catch up. Oh. Wheels up! And there goes Steve-O. Give him the little head bobble as he picks up the boost. It's a hairpin 1, making gains. And from pushing the cart hard after the beach and then the hairpin 1. As you can see right now, attention to the right front wheel. Something is loosened up. We're gonna ease off. As you can see here now, we got a heavy wobble in the cart. I made some damage, just not very nice. No, this is very bad. Going to pull in the pits. Yes. We have a broken cart number 68. Not very nice. I'm gonna switch carts real quick. I'm gonna hop on to 68 to 67. Something's squatting in that right front wheel. Something's loosened up. Maybe a control arm, bearing or some shit. Don't know. Not a karting mechanical expert. Let's go. Guess that's why you pay a premium price to rent out karts. Because you gotta be fixing them when stupid shit like that happens. Some crazy drivers like me. But nonetheless, the kart 67, feeling a bit nice and tight now. A little faster kart. Here we go. Let's get it warmed up. I was alone for a couple laps, but I wanted to get these tires warmed up. And a couple laps later, we got a yellow flag. Hairpin 1, getting the best of us tonight. Alright, once again, behind Steve-O. Let's see if we can keep up. Kart 67. Here we go. Into the hairpin. Right on the bumper.
Yahoo! Ow!
Making big gains. He's gonna pull away in the straight. Here we go. Hairpin 1. Can we make gains? Yes, we have. Right there. Let's see, following the lines of Steve-O. Alright. Turn 4 and 5. 6. Right on the tail. Once again, he's gonna pull a notch a bit. On the straight, into hairpin 1, big gains, right on the bumper, into the slipstream, through the S-turns. Here we go, big gains. Okay, taking the outside signature, inside move, into the hairpin. Clean shoot.
Good play.
Worked very well. Very well that time. Tires were nicely warmed up, tighter. And Nico pulls into the pits a little early, not too sure why. Guess he was had enough for the night. So surprisingly, since last session, which I didn't post, I don't think, because of some camera issues. My front camera wasn't recording, my rear camera was shaky, and yeah, but I put down a time of 37.5 tonight. Last time I put a 37.6. So I shut off 1/10 of a second, surprisingly, in cold pavement, cold tires, cold night. Set down the fastest. I was the fastest man tonight, but everybody else was in the 30. Everybody put down a time in the 37s. So pretty great competition tonight. Much enjoyed. Cheers, guys. But yeah, good times, good times. And if you hear barking in the background, that'll be my poochki while I'm recording these voiceovers. But yeah, there's that boy Steve-O. Z. Nico pulled out earlier. I wish I had taken 67 from the beginning. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed another karting session. More to come hopefully, but
I was like on your tail the whole
it's
time.
getting cold out here in Canada. Winter is soon approaching. Might have to switch over to top cutting very soon.
Like this guy.
But yeah,
Yeah, you came in too. Mine like 5 laps ago. I got
have a wonderful, wonderful time. Till the next episode.
the first 2 laps, yeah. That was a heavy dive. It's still cold. Yeah, they're fast. Yeah, this ice racing carts or what?